Shali. We've got the crown to add to you. I know you've got the crown already, but it's time that we as honest celebrities have a crown that we want to place.
इसमें तो मैं दिख ही नहीं रही हूँ. ठीक है, पर कोई बात नहीं, मैं दिख जाऊंगी.
So can we have the beautiful Diana who's coming up right now? Yes.
Miss. अरे guys, अरे hi. मैं तो शॉक में, मेरे को तो यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा है. Guys, ये one of the my favorite guys है. इनको तो मैं but ये हमारे साथ है.
सो गाइस, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं कहाँ घूम रही हूँ. कहीं और नहीं, ये मेरे ऑफिस पे फंक्शन था. सो गाइस, आप सबका स्वागत है दिव्या माछी व्लॉग्स में. और आज मैं लेके आई हूँ क्रिसमस फन फेयर इन माय ऑफिस. तो आज का बहुत ही प्यारा धमाकेदार वाला जो मेरा व्लॉग है, मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. जो डेकोरेशन है यहाँ का, सुपर्ब. मतलब मैंने तो मेरी लाइफ में इतना अच्छा कहीं नहीं देखा. मतलब बहुत ही मज़ा आया. एंड डेकोरेशन एंड एवरी ऑर्गेनाइज बहुत ही अच्छा था. और अब तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको देखनी है एंड तक, बिकॉज इतना मज़ा आने वाला है ना कि क्या बताऊँ. सो ये था हमारे ऑरिस सेरेनिटी टावर 1, 2, 3 तीनों का टावर मिला के एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज किया था. और ये जो है हमारा स्पेशल टावर 1 है, जो हम पूरी कोर टीम हैंडल करती है. और ये पूरा जो फंक्शन है और इस सेरेनिटी क्रिसमस फन फेयर 2025 जो इतना धमाकेदार होने वाला है. तो ये जिप देख रहे हैं वो एक एज एडवर्टीजमेंट है और कुछ नहीं. ये कोई गिफ्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ एडवर्टीज के लिए रखी है. सो गाइस, जिस रात का हम सबको इंतजार था वो ये रहा, रॉयल एनफील्ड हंटर 350. इस हंटर के लिए कितने लोगों ने कितने सपने सजाए गाइस, और कौन जीता वो देखने के लिए आपको फुल वीडियो देखनी पड़ेगी. और ना मज़ा आने वाला है ना आपको एंड तक देखने के लिए, बिकॉज इतनी सारी चीज़ें हुई है बीच बीच में, तो मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. हाँ, मैं मानती हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं मैं स्विच हो गई थी एंड मैं कुछ रीज़न की वजह से ज़्यादा शूट नहीं कर पाई. बट हाँ, जितना भी कर पाई बहुत एंजॉय किया मैंने. बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा. तो आई होप सो कि आप ये वीडियो को फुल देखोगे और बहुत ही एंजॉयमेंट भी होगा. सो ऐसे ही मुझे देखते रहे. और हाँ, मुझे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले, बिकॉज आगे के बहुत सारे व्लॉग्स आने वाले हैं और बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाला है इस फन फेयर में. सो लेट्स सी आगे क्या क्या होता है. तब तक के लिए मुझे देखते रहे. और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले. बाय बाय, सी यू. और हाँ, ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करके जाना और एंड तक देखना तो बिल्कुल भी ना भूले गाइस, क्योंकि सच में बहुत मज़ा आने
That's our youth of our own, all three towers. Our towers 1, tower 2, tower 3. Our youth are going to do carol singing. So we're going to kick off this evening with this beautiful boys and girls. Then we have Arman and his group to do another set of carol singing. Then children, we have a game for you all. Okay, so all children, lots of prizes to be won. Then the evening most awaited, we have Santa coming in. Alright, then we have a lovely live band this evening. Rocky Mountain is going to, give us some foot tapping dancing music. Then to show us we have a lovely fashion show. Alright, so there's a lovely fashion show this evening. Please come in large numbers, and I'll tell you what, this fashion show will be on a competitive level. It's just not to walk the ramp out, it's going to be on a competitive level. Alright, then we have raffle, we'll open up the lucky draw that we call it. So if you have not picked up your, tickets or your coupons for this wonderful lucky draw first time, okay, if you come walking, you will take a bike and go home, you might never know. So please go and book. It's not only the bike, but there are 6 other, exciting prizes to take away. Right. Well, then we come back to give us some lovely foot tapping dancing music. Alright, मैं सभी से निवेदन करूंगा, अगर मेरी आवाज आप तक पहुंच रही है तो जल्द से जल्द नीचे आ जाए. It's going to be time. थोड़ी देर में हम शुरू करते हैं आज का ये शाम. शुक्रिया. Aki, over to you. Love you, brother.
will not get the prize, okay? So the lucky draw, we're going to call out the lucky draw, and we'll start with the 6th prize first, okay? We'll do the prize. We'll call the.
You have your tickets in the house?
Yes!
Everybody make sure, hold them safe. Now the ticket was bought by you with the hope that you were going to get one of these 6 amazing prizes. So we're looking at from the 6th position, where we've got these amazing, elegant bed covers, bed sheets, comforter, to the 5th position, where we've got an air fryer for all that healthy cooking. Moving on to the fourth position, where you're going to be traveling the world with a gorgeous travel bag. To the third position, where somebody is going to say, I need a new room to put my 32-inch smart television. To the second position, where the lady of the house is going to be smiling bright with some diamond jewelry. That's going to be elegant, gorgeous, and one of her prized possessions. And then the first position is where one of the gentlemen in the house is going to smile and say, the Royal Enfield is all mine. All right, everybody, whatever you do to up your luck quotient, cross your fingers, close your eyes, center yourself, align yourself, send out the right energy, whatever it is, it's happening right now.
Kisha, once again, sorry to disturb you, but please note, those who have their coupons here only will get a prize. That's the rule for the game, okay? So do you have your coupon?
I have lots of coupons actually,
Alright. Show your coupon up in the air.
but
Yeah.
but I've got coupons that
Yes,
I'm
that-
hoping will be the lucky ones, right?
Okay. Alright. Who's gonna pull up the first one?
And up first. So this is the raffle, the lucky draw, something that we've all looked forward to. And in the sixth position, Sylvester Rodriguez joins us up on stage. He's going to make sure that somebody walks away with elegant bed covers, bed sheets, and the comforter. Now this prize has been brought to us by a family-run home decor company with a legacy of trust and craftsmanship, specializing in bed and bath furniture and curated wallpaper collections. They bring timeless comfort to modern homes, and their portfolio features exclusive brands known for quality, design and durability. And Francis, they
Yes.
believe in creating spaces that feel personal, elegant and enduring. Who's going to make sure that their their bedroom gets a makeover with that elegant bed cover?
Right. We have
And-
Sylvester.
Everybody, know if you bought multiple tickets, hold on to them right now.
Wow. Shake it up. Shake it up.
Okay, who's going to win the prize? Make some noise!
Alright. So it's sealed. Sunny and Sylvester is opening up the seal, and we're going for the first one. Kisha, is your heart beating?
My
Is your
heart's
heart pumping?
beating. You've got to be here with your ticket to walk away with the sixth prize in the lucky draw, and the number
Number.
is 4061. 4061. We hold on to the ticket for 90 seconds.
Anybody?
4061.
4061.
Char Shunya.
There's a hand up, there's a hand up.
J8
There's a hand up. There's a hand up.
from Shiv Shakti. This prize comes to you for you to make sure that your bed in your bedroom gets a makeover. 30 seconds.
He's there.
Are you here?
Yes, he's there.
4061. Char Shunya
अरे बाप रे,
J8.
क्या है? किधर है?
And
Where's the
Show
number?
to
Where's
us.
the ticket? अरे इसने तो पूरा बुक ले लिया.
We love it. What's your name? Gulwant. Gulwant enjoyed winning the first prize this evening
Hi, bhai.
in the sixth position. Congratulations. Can we please have you shake hands with Sylvester, Sunny,
शर्मिला कोठारी.
Sharmila Kothari, where are you? We want you here on stage. You make sure that this amazing man is smiling. I think you know that lady luck factor? We saw that here today. Sharmila, where are you? We want you here. You know, this is the excitement. This is the excitement. Thank you. This is the excitement. Congratulations. Kinjal, we are so happy to have you here. Everybody, give us the Kinjal smile. Kinjal. Alright, and the prize is, Sunny is saying it's for very healthy cooking, right? Alright, okay, and Kinjal, the number.
Yeah.
Shake it up.
Shake it up, Kinjal, shake
Yes. Alright, and
Kinjal.
the number is
It's 1294.
1294. एक दो नौ चार 1294. Your 90 seconds starts now.
Yeah,
Who's working
right.
on for the air fryer? Who's working on for the air fryer?
1294.
1294. Oh, Miss Serenity, you rock.
Super, come up, ma'am.
1294. Right here. Congratulations. Let's have a photograph. Let's have some music in the house. For offering great rates on 4-star and 5-star hotels across the world. They specialize in holiday planning globally, from simple getaways to detailed international trips. They curate small group tours, also actually travels with you. But whatever holiday plans you have, he's the man to connect with. This time around, it's going to be very cool travel movement with your own travel trolley.
Instead of Vishal, Kabir will remote out. Okay, Kabir, let's go.
Kabir, come on. And
2293.
2293, that's the number.
2293. 2293 going into our 90 seconds. 2293. No, teen. The travel trolley bag. No, teen. 2293. Come on. Travel beans. Make sure that you have your own gorgeous, very elegant. The next number, pull it out, and 2819. We're still in the 2000s. 2819 going once. 2819 going twice. Let us see the number. Let us see it. 28. That's the only ticket he does not have. That's the only ticket he does. Gone. He's got the travel bag as well. How cool. Come on up. Let's have you here once again, Sharmila. Everybody dance. Amazing. Put your hands together for them. I think that's fantastic. Congratulations. Enjoy. Vishal, let's have a photograph with them, with the winners. Congratulations! How cool! Alright, the third prize. Now this time around, the one and only Steven D'Souza. Sunny D'Souza is right here. Where is his brother, Ronnie D'Souza? You have to join us on stage. Let's have Charlotte D'Souza join us as well. Ronnie, join us. We want you here. We need you here. Come on up. Welcome. All right, who's going to walk away? Who's going to walk away with the 32-inch smart TV? And Ronnie, can you do us the honors? And
Good evening, everybody. 1221.
what a cool number. 1221. 1221. believe you. You're here. We've stopped the timer. Come on up. 1, 2, 2, 1. TV 32 inches
Wow.
from Synergy Resources. Sunny, Ronnie, thank you so much, everybody. All right, the
Wow.
biggie. We're moving to the top, and Francis.
The heart is pumping, the heart is
Diamond
beating.
jewelry,
Yes or no?
rarest of rubies, most seductive sapphires, dreamiest of diamonds. We've got the one and only Jonathan Fernandez, who is the creator. Now he goes by the brand that is famous, John F. Fine Diamond Jewelry, where every piece is a thought.
This is not just ours, this seems like all of Malad.
Absolutely, Jana, absolutely.
Yeah, this is a fantastic feeling. It's so festive and it's so nice. Sunny, I think actually next time we should put up a showroom in Oris itself, yeah? You know, yeah, we should have a John
Wow!
in
Can we
Oris
clap?
itself.
Can we clap?
Nice to see so many people. And yeah, this is an 18 karat diamond
Open up.
pendant. It's a heart-shaped pendant. Sunny, you opened it the wrong way.
Oh,
Yeah, this is a 18 karat diamond heart pendant, and it's got a pink sapphire just to add some beauty to it. We put a pink sapphire, a natural pink sapphire heart shape, which is very rare. You don't find a pink sapphire in a heart shape generally. So this is a natural pink sapphire heart shape diamond pendant and natural diamonds and 18 karat gold. So yeah, it's what we do.
Jana, there's only one question in the house. मेरा number कब आएगा?
Ask that question. 3, 2, 1.
मेरा number कब आएगा? Okay,
Abhi,
John.
Abhi, and
And. Jana, the lucky one. Shake it up, Jana. Close your eyes. Yes. Alright. This one goes to. The number is.
the number is 3538. 3 5 3 8. 3538. Going. Ladies were like, really? That was my Christmas present. I wanted it, right?
Alright. The next number. 3817.
3817.
Let me check mine.
Look at your tickets, all your tickets. We know people have 3817. We have people who go, yes, no, yes, no, yeah. We love it. What number?
3817. No.
3817 going once. 3817.
2.
30 seconds. 38.
There's somebody put a hand up there. Hold on. There's somebody's coming up there. I can see on the far side. Hold on.
3817. Are you here? 3817. Are you
Yes,
coming?
yes, there's somebody
Make
coming.
way.
Make way for him, please. Make way.
3817. If that's wrong, I think I'm going to just take the just to go faster, I'll take the diamond jewelry.
No, I'll say.
Okay. 613. John F, everybody wants your jewelry, sir. This
right.
is amazing. 2, 1.
क्या बात है? What's your name? Bharat Patel. Can we give a
Bharat
big round of
Patel.
applause? Bharat.
Congratulations, everybody. Put your hands together for Bharat Patel. You walk away with a John F. And Bharat, who gets that? Who are you giving it to?
My dear wife, Daksha.
Daksha, congratulations. Daksha Patel, everybody Zoda Talia. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan.
Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you.
5, put your lights on. Let's have all the stars. Who's going to walk away with that first prize right here today? Let's have Pranav Ashar join us on stage right now. Look at these lights. This is Lady Luck kind of coming to you right now. And, all right. predominantly undertaking redevelopment projects in the suburbs of Mumbai. Its focus is on economical and aspirational homes, understanding the deep-rooted aspiration of owning a house in our city of dreams. It is amazing because the company stresses exceedingly on client expectations in redevelopment projects that they undertake. So they go beyond construction to build long-term clientele. So at the heart of its philosophy, how? This is amazing. The one and only Pranav Asha, make sure that one and only one of us goes home with that Royal Enfield. Give us all the statistics on that, Sunny. What is the configuration? Okay, so can you share a few words with us about this evening and why, you decided to make sure that the grandeur of the Royal Enfield will move home with somebody?
Good evening everyone, it's such a beautiful crowd over here and I'm happy that Sunny invited me to this event and made me part of it, and I encourage the entire organizing team that you all should have more such events over here. It is lovely to be around, it's crowded as one of the other speakers said that it's as good as the entire Malad is over here, and congratulations to Oris and many more to come. Oris, we'll be part of it again and again.
3 cheers for Oris, hip hip! Come on, Joel, say hip hip! Louder guys, hip hip!
And now,
Wow.
we're really shaking it up, Sunny, Sylvester, making sure that the box is really shook up. Shuffle the box, they say. And that lucky number, everybody, close your eyes.
My heart is beating.
Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Whose number? 2417. 2417. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350cc. Ganesh, give us your tickets.
Okay, party people in the house.
Ganesh, Sony has agreed to sponsor next year's prize. And 24. Congratulations, here's the tickets. Once again, they walk onto stage. The Royal Enfield is all yours. Everybody Zota Talia. What's your name? Anshika. Anshika. Make sure. Let's have a photograph, Pranav. Let's have a photograph. Congratulations.
Wow. Girls, you're low, you cannot go triple seat on the bike, okay? Wonderful.
Anshika, congratulations. A Royal Enfield, who are you going to gift it to, or are you going to ride it yourself?
I'm gonna gift it to someone.
सिल्वेस्टर होल्ड करके रखिए और एक प्राइज है 10,000 रुपए के लिए. विशाल मारू अभी निकाल रहे नंबर. अगला विनर 10,000 रुपए के लिए.
10,000 rupees, who's going to walk away? Well, while you're doing that,
1279.
1279.
1279.
Francis, did you check your tickets?
No, I didn't check. One.
Yes! Vishal Maru, 10,000 rupees to what's your name? Vaishali walks away with 10,000 rupees. How cool is that? Congratulations, let's take a photograph. Vaishali, your lucky ticket in your hand right now. We're loving it. Okay, we don't know when more prizes will be sponsored. Hold on to your tickets. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you very much. Congratulations, Vaishali. Right.